Well, hey guys, there's been something missing from my YouTube channel for quite some time now, and I need to rectify that. And that actually is having a motorcycle. Now, my best mate Ross came across this beautiful BSA C15 in a barn, and it's never been restored. And what a golden opportunity to restore a motorcycle and have some content on motorbikes on the channel. So this BSA C15 is a 250cc engine. Now, obviously a lot of you motorcycle fans are already going to know that, but some of the classic car fans of mine are not. And back in the 1960s and 1970s, you could actually ride a 250cc on a provisional license, which nowadays you can only ride up to 125cc. And interestingly, as part of this motorcycle's history, it's got an L plate on the front, so at some point it was somebody's learner bike. So this motorcycle, Ross done a little bit of research on it with the previous owner, and it's only 2 owners from new. It was first registered in Birmingham, but spent most of its life in Northamptonshire. Now, at the moment, I'm not going to show you the registration plate because I haven't got the V5 back for the bike just yet. Now, we're quite lucky in the fact this motorcycle doesn't have a seized engine, and all the gears are working as they should do. The engine turns over just fine, so it should make a really good goer for a restoration. So obviously this motorcycle is going to need a lot of TLC to bring her back up to a high quality standard. But that's a journey that we can all share together as you watch me restore this motorcycle. Anyway guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.